Hey everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you another tutorial video regarding how you can log into your ChatGPT account. But before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and let's get started. So just go to your phone browser first, tap on it, and then you will see this search bar, tap on that, and then you will just type in ChatGPT or ChatGPT OpenAI. You will see the ChatGPT recommendations below, so you will just tap on it. As you can see this, once you open ChatGPT OpenAI, this particular page will open. So what you will do is you will just tap on this login option, tap on it. Here you will just type in your email address and tap on this continue option, and here you can type in your password, and then you will just tap on this confirm and your account will be opened. And the other method is, if you have used continue with Google option when signing in, then you can just tap on that option and choose the email address, and yes, as you can see, my account is open. Type in the message that you would like to have or get the solution for, and this is how you can log into your ChatGPT account. And I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Please do make sure to leave comments below, and I'll see you guys next time.